Welcome to International Credit Union Day. International Credit Union Day is the day in the year when credit unions all over the world celebrate the good things that credit unions are doing for their members, providing financial services day in, day out for nearly 200 million people. As I say, in many parts of the world, credit unions are a much bigger part of the landscape than we are here at the moment in Britain. Nearly 200 million people in over 90 countries use credit unions for their financial services. Here in Britain, we are smaller, but we're growing well, and we've now reached 900,000 people using credit unions. This part of the year, the autumn, we've just finished the party conference season, and that's when all three of the UK political parties have a conference about some of the issues and the policies that are of concern to them. Credit unions have been very visible at those conferences, alongside our colleagues in the financial mutual sector, the building societies, the friendly societies, the mutual insurers, and of course the cooperative bank. And the message that we and those parts of the financial mutual family have been getting across is that mutuals, healthy, successful mutuals, are an important part of a diverse financial services landscape. And of course, the services that credit unions provide complement many of the services provided by those other financial mutuals. We have a very unique savings product. Credit unions can collect savings from their members simply by having a few pounds, or hundreds of pounds if you wish, deducted from your payroll. It's a painless, it's a safe, it's a convenient way to save. It can be deducted from payroll, but of course it could also be from your state benefits. A painless way, a safe way to save with your credit unions. And of course, in terms of lending products, we have a much wider range of lending products than banks or indeed most other lenders. At one end of the spectrum, credit unions will lend a few £100s for a few weeks, a few months. And at the other end of the spectrum, we might be lending very large sums of money for mortgages, perhaps over 20 years, over 25 years. The theme for International Credit Union Day is particularly appropriate this year: local, trusted and serving you. Here in Britain now, we have 450 credit unions serving, we estimate, about 85% of the population in terms of where people live. 85% of the population could join a credit union if they chose to do so. And of course, trusted and serving you. There's no other reason for credit unions to exist than to serve their members, than to provide them with financial services. We're not driven by the need to make larger and larger profits just to satisfy the interests of some third-party shareholders. Our members own the credit union, and that's the reason that we're here in business. So I'd like to finish by wishing you a very happy International Credit Union Day, wherever you are and however you are choosing to celebrate it.